Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to revamp my press-on nails, and I thought I would do it on camera just to show you guys that you don't have to always rip off your press-on nails that you do on yourself. So here I do have some press-on nails that I did Freddy Krueger style, and I did use amber style colored gel, and it was extremely hard to get off. So I took it off as best I could, as you guys can see. Washed my hands, and I did go in with my prep for my nails, my primer, and my pH bond. By the way, it is back in stock on my website. I will be sure to link it down below. But just like any usual application for acrylic, I went in and I prepped my nails for acrylic application. I am going in now with a size 14 panna brush from Amazon with Mia Secret monomer, and I am using Blossom from Valentino. Now, prior to me doing this, I did not have acrylic on my nails. I just did regular press-ons with gel polish. So the only way I was able to keep these nails on, because I was not able to remove all that gel polish from my nails with the file, was to go over it with acrylic. Now, when I was filing it off, there was some heat tension from my e-file to my nails, so that's why it was best for me to just leave it alone. And I figured I would just go over my nails with the acrylic and the press-ons. Genius, just because I care about what my nails look like underneath, and I actually like this length of nails. You guys know I can rarely keep nails on because I'm always doing something related to school, but this is not a bad length, so I wouldn't feel any type of way wearing this to the office or school or doing anything that I need to do clinical wise. So now I'm just showing you guys the acrylic application over the press-ons. After that, I do go in and file the nails up some to its natural shape. I really don't have to do much here because they are pre-shaped press-on nails, but I do want to go in and make sure everything is sharp and the way I like it. I do go in with my e-file, not to so much seal my cuticle because these are press-on nails, so I don't go in with any other bit other than my sanding band. It's just to even the acrylic application a little more than it is. Get rid of any bumps and ridges that may be on the acrylic application. After that, I do go in and buff my nails just because I'm getting ready for the gel polish application. Per usual, I go in with my cuticle oil. I do have a 6-piece gel polish all shine on me from Board Pretty. This was sent to me via PR. Per usual, they do come with instructions and customer care information inside the box. These are fall and winter colors. Wonderful. You guys know I could care less to have different polishes on my nails, but in this case, I do absolutely love these colors. Fall is my season, and I wanted to showcase each of these polishes. I did notice that they had new packaging. It is so pretty. The peekaboo window to show you the shade color is a lot larger than previously. So here I go in with 5 out of the 6 shade. The one shade that I didn't showcase today is a glitter red shade. So if you are looking for shades that are reminiscent to fall and winter and Christmas time, these are so what you're looking for. So here I do go in with my French tip on each nail, and I wanted to jazz up the French tip a little bit, so I do go in with half shape circle lines on the bottom part of the nail. I also did that just because you guys know I have the amber shade underneath, and I wanted to camouflage as much of it as I could on the pink part of the acrylic. I wanted to add a little depth on the design just so that it's not just French tips with a little design in the same color. So I decided to go into my gel polish collection and pull out the white shade from Born Pretty and just add a little shadow peak on the nails just to give it a little bit of oomph, a little bit of depth. I think these came out really, really pretty. In between each coat, I do cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. I do use 2 coats. So I wanted to save the red for last because I didn't want to mess up my acetone that I had on the side that I was cleaning my brush off with. So I decided to do my thumb the burgundy reddish color. Really pretty color. I'm glad I chose to do this on my thumb because I wanted my fingers to go from lighter to darker, and of course leaving my thumb last, which is the red. So I do go in and clean up any part that I feel like needs to be cleaned with a little brush, and here I'm adding that half moon on, and then also the white. After I add the white to the nails, I do realize that this is the pop that I needed. I could have went in with black, but I felt like white went more with these colors, and it was more part of the fall that I was looking for. So after that, I do go in and I use my diamond top coat after I cure this in the lamp. I do a thin layer over each of my nails just to finish off the look. Per usual, if you are using any type of top coat before you cure in your lamp, you want to make sure you are not flooding your cuticles. So I do go in with a brush off camera just to clean my cuticle area up from any polish that may have spilled over, so that when I cure it, it's not stuck there. After I do cure my nails in the lamp, per usual, I go in with my cuticle oil, not too much because I didn't want it on my design. I think these came out really, really cute. This was so much better than me trying to get my press-on nails off that weren't quite ready to come off yet. These look bomb.com. I really want to do the other hand, but I know I'm not because I'm lazy. Let me know what you guys think. I tried to get a close-up to let you guys see that these do not look like press-ons at all. They actually look like acrylic. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Bye.